Let's talk about forks. Not the ones at the dinner table, but the ones in Ansible. Forks let Ansible run tasks in parallel, making automation faster. But too many forks? Well, that's like inviting too many guests to a party. Things might get messy. Used wisely, forks speed up operations. Used recklessly, they overwhelm your system. Let's see how to strike the right balance. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. The forks parameter is like the director of a play, deciding how many actors are on stage at once. More forks mean faster execution. But just like a director can't have everyone speaking at the same time, your system needs a reasonable limit. Ansible lets you control forks through config files or command line options. So let's learn how to tweak them right. By default, Ansible sets forks to 5, kind of like a speed limit on a road. It's a reasonable number for most scenarios, preventing accidental system overloads. But when handling larger workloads, you might need to push the limit a bit, without causing a traffic jam. Tweaking forks is like tuning an engine. You want power without overheating. More forks can accelerate automation, but excessive forks may drain CPU and memory. Finding the perfect balance ensures efficient task execution while keeping your system happy. Want persistent control over forks? Modify them in the ansible.cfg file. It's like setting preferences in a music player. Choose what works best for your system and let Ansible stick to it. This ensures a stable, scalable execution flow across multiple playbooks. Need a quick fix? Ansible's F option lets you override forks instantly, like shifting gears on a bike. It's perfect when you need temporary changes instead of modifying configuration files. Let's explore when and how to use this command line tweak. Increasing forks is tempting, like adding more horsepower to a car. It speeds up Ansible playbooks, but also risks overwhelming your system. Let's find out when to increase forks for efficiency without causing system crashes. Think of forks like juggling balls. Adding too many makes things chaotic. Performance tuning involves testing different fork levels based on CPU and memory. Let's discover how to keep performance balanced for efficient automation. Ansible forks need a perfect balance, like seasoning food. Too much overwhelms the system. Too little slows things down. Benchmark tests can guide you in setting the right forks value for smooth execution. Strategy plugins add extra magic to forks. They help organize parallel execution intelligently, ensuring efficiency. With the right strategy, your playbooks can execute like a well-orchestrated symphony. All right, let's talk forks. No, not the ones for eating. Forks in computing let us run multiple tasks at once, speeding things up. Serial execution, on the other hand, is like standing in a slow-moving queue, one task at a time. Picking the right method depends on the workload and how much patience you have. And remember, too many forks can jam the system, much like too many cooks spoiling the broth. Think of throttling like a traffic cop. It keeps things moving without causing chaos. Without limits, we risk system overload, much like rush hour traffic. The key is setting smart thresholds. Too strict and progress slows. Too loose and things spiral out of control. Keep an eye on your performance metrics, because fine-tuning throttling is like adjusting your car's speed for a smooth ride. Optimizing forks is like organizing a relay race. Each runner, task, should know when to sprint and when to pass the baton. Too many runners on the track. Chaos. Too few. Slow progress. Keeping tabs on resources ensures peak efficiency. And just like in real races, when a baton, task, drops, good error handling helps us recover gracefully. Troubleshooting is like detective work. You find bottlenecks, patch memory leaks, and ensure tasks play nice in parallel. Synchronization issues. That's your system arguing over who gets to go first, and tweaking configurations. That's like adjusting your chair to get the perfect posture. Small changes make a big difference. The real world is where theory meets action. Parallel processing, perfect for crunching massive datasets. Throttling, a lifesaver for stable API handling. Forks, your best friend in automation. And getting all this right, it's like setting up a high-speed train. Efficient, smooth, and built for scale. Let's wrap up this roller coaster ride. Forks speed things up, while serial execution keeps it simple. Throttling lets us manage speed. Optimizing forks ensures efficiency. And troubleshooting keeps everything running smoothly. With these tools, you're set to execute tasks like a pro. Just don't forget to enjoy the process. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.